problem?
You literally faked your death and had me worried, and then when I got to the cemetery, you jumped out of the bushes and said it was a prank.
Well, it's just a prank. You need to get over it.
You had me worried.
Well, I didn't know it was gonna get you that good.
I'm living troubled. I'm living troubled. Today I make it work. I literally traveled there.
School time.
You're coming home. You're coming to my house. You're coming.
Okay.
Come on, let's go inside. You need to clean my steps.
Okay, I've had it. Why are you bossing me around? It's just a prank. It needs to be gotten over. I've had enough. Now I'm going home. I don't want to see you for the rest of the day.
The door snapped. She snapped. I should either apologize or let her stay mad at me. I'm gonna go apologize.
I'm sorry, dear. Marigold said that not to let her in right now. Not to let you in right now. She's really in a bad mood right now.
Oh, okay. Hi, Marigold.
What are you doing?
Someone's in your house.
What?
They're just letting your mom's in.
You better get down here!
I'm just gonna hide in the closet.
Okay.
Don't tell your mom.
Get down here, Flower! Uh-oh. Get down here now, Flower! Eddie! Oh, no, Flower! You knocked on my door, and you're gonna pay for it, or else I'll call the police!
Bye.
Flower, Eddie, get back here! So what should we do with my mom?
I don't know, but I do have money. I just didn't want to give it to her.
Okay, great praying for her. Make it rain, make it rain.
Draw your dollar bills in your face.
He's like, why are you throwing money everywhere?
I don't know. Run away.
Wait, you can actually do that? Oh, here's your mom and sister's room. I'm not mad.
I know. Bye.
What was that? Is that Sophia?
Why is Sophia in the water?
Oh! She farted in the water?
No, she's inside the water.
What the heck? Wait, what the?
She was literally inside the water.
Anthony! How'd you get in? How did he get in? Ah!
I don't know. But all I know is these kids are bad.
The devils.
Oh my god, what's happening? Sprinklers!
Anthony!
Sophia! Put your butts back here.
I'll poop on you!
Sophia, I caught you.
I'ma poop on you.
You come here and tell Mom. That's it. I've had enough. Sophia, get your butt back here!
She just pooped on you.
Sophia, if you don't get back here, I'm gonna shoot you.
I can go to Mom before you do it. Hey, you threatened to shoot me.
You're in my lab. I see you. Don't you move. Don't you move.
Huh.
You still manage to do what? Sophia, that's it. Get your butt over here. Oh, wait. Where's Marigold? Oh, you're right there. I definitely didn't just push my sister in the water.
Okay, do you want to go to the ice cream store?
Yeah, let's go.
Where's your mom, anyway?
I actually do not know. Oh, I'm getting a call. Oh, it's my mom. Hello. What? You're serious? This is the last time I'm dealing with him. And if I have to deal with him again, I'm just gonna move away. Bye.
What happened? Did your dad do it again?
Yep, this time he's at the barn.
Oh my god! I don't know how many times your dad has done this.
I know, right? This time he traveled from where we used to live all the way here just to kidnap my mom.
Oh my god, Mr. Annie.
Okay, Dad, just give... He's not here.
Where could he be? Oh, I'm getting a call from my mom now. What? Okay, so your dad has got my mom too.
Where?
She didn't say. I asked her. Oh wait, I'm getting another call. What? Okay, we'll be there right now. Okay, bye.
Where is it?
Ice cream store. Right behind the ice cream store.
Wait. Whoa. What's this?
It's a nail.
No.
It's a shop thing that we used. It's the shop thing.
Wait. If this is here, doesn't that mean...
Uh-oh. He turned them into zombies.
Oh, I'm getting a call. What's it called?
Yeah, I'm getting a call from my mom too.
I'm getting, I need to stay here in private. It's a walkie-talkie. What's up?
Yeah, Mom, what is it? Okay, I'll tell Flower. Okay. Bye.
I'm busy.
Flower, what are you doing? Flower, what in the world are you doing? What are you doing? Flower!
Nothing. I gotta go.
Okay. Who is this dude? Oh well. Flower, wherever you are, I'm going to go home. Or go to where my mom told me to go.
Ma'am? Ma'am!
What?
Stop right there.
Who are you?
Stop, I said.
Why?
I'm filming.
What did I do? I'm just trying to go to where I'm just gonna go try and save my mom.
Your mom is a zombie.
What? Then what's gonna happen to me?
You have to come with me.
What?
You have to come with me.
Okay.
Come with me, ma'am.
Okay.
Just need to. I'm just gonna transform this house right here.
But that's his Flower's house.
Who's Flower?
She's my best friend.
Well,
We do everything together.
too bad. Too sad.
What did you just do to her house?
Military base. Get in. Now, inside the house.
What are you going to do to me?
You're going the wrong way. This way.
I can't believe I'm going through this right
Through the front door. Go on.
now. Are you taking me to prison?
Nope. This is a safe space.
But my house is right next door.
By the way,
What?
it's me, Flower.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
I'll be right there, Flower. Give me a second.
My name is Marigold.
Well, I'm sorry. God. Okay. Did you get any mysterious calls?
Yes, from my mom a few times when she was trying to tell you that your dad got her and kidnapped her.
Okay.
Wait.
Well,
Wait, 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 wait.
do not pick up the phone.
Okay.
If you want to pick up the phone in the cell, get in the cell. Get in.
Why?
You're gonna stay in there until I say so.
Why do I need to stay in here?
Please don't know if you haven't got, because I don't know if you haven't got bitten yet. You might have got bit.
Why? Because I was nowhere near my mom until earlier before she got kidnapped.
Well, you're gonna stay in there. Here, take some food and water.